Hey there, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to update your beneficiaries within your MO Deferred Comp account. First, you're going to need to log in through modeferredcomp.org. Once you are logged in, click your name in the upper right hand corner of your online account, then select personal information. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page to find the beneficiary information section. Click on the MO Deferred Comp 457 plan to expand the item and click the add/edit link. Okay, time out. Before we move on, this part is really important. If you have both a 457 plan and an incentive plan source, you will need to add beneficiaries for each one separately. So you'll go through this same process again, one time for each source. All right, time in. Now the first thing the system will ask you for is your marital status. So click either married or single. Now if you are married and you want to name someone other than your spouse as your primary beneficiary, you will need to complete and submit a paper form, which is linked right here on this page. Okay, so I'm going to choose married for this example. On the next page, I'm going to enter in my spouse's information. When I'm done, I'm going to click next. On the following page, I can add in my contingent beneficiary information. Once that's entered, I review everything to make sure it looks correct, and then hit submit to finish the process. You should receive a confirmation by email or mail within the next few days. Now remember, you will need to repeat this process for any other retirement savings sources you have, such as the MO Deferred Comp incentive plan. And that's it for this website walkthrough tutorial. You can find more helpful tutorials anytime at modeferredcomp.org.